Hey there, my friends. Today I am going to take you on a tour of a super fun, chill, and beach-inspired house design. Picture yourself sipping a refreshing drink and enjoying the cool ocean breeze as we explore this coastal beach-style beauty. Alright, take a look at this 3 by 7 meters beach-style house. It's the perfect retreat for those who love the coastal vibe. The exterior is painted in a beautiful, calm blue color that mimics the shooting ocean wave. And check out that gray asphalt roof blending in perfectly with the coastal surroundings. We've also got these stunning white window frames that really pop against the blue siding. Let's head inside and see what this beach-inspired oasis has to offer. As we step through the front door, we are greeted by an open living, kitchen, and dining area. It's all about the seamless flow, creating a relaxed and airy atmosphere. The living area is all about comfort and style. We have cozy couches where you can kick back and relax after a long day of work. The decor here is inspired by the ocean itself, such as the mirror above the sofa, a stunning mirror made from seashells. It adds a touch of coastal elegance to the space. And check out this white frame artwork featuring delightful sea creatures. It's like having a piece of the ocean right on your wall. The kitchen is designed with a trendy bar style, making it perfect for entertaining friends or simply enjoying a relaxed meal. The sleek countertop provides sufficient space for preparing delicious meals. And let's not forget the dining area, which merges with the kitchen, with the comfy stools that give you the perfect spot to sip on your favorite tropical drink. Beside the kitchen, there is a bathroom. Let's dive into it. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning blue tile covering the walls and palm gray wallpaper that instantly embrace the beach vibe. And speaking of unique touches, the mirror frame made from rope, and the wash basin is beautifully made from natural stone. Now, let's head to the hidden gem of this house, the storage area under the stairs. It's cleverly designed to maximize space and functionality. You'll find a fridge and open shelves. There's even a closed cabinet that stores a washing machine. Talk about convenience, this beach-style house has thought of everything. As we make our way up the stairs, take a look at the stunning staircase railing made from rope and white wood. It feels like climbing up the ship's mast and adds a unique touch. And now, let's explore the second floor, where we find 2 cozy bedrooms. The master bedroom is truly unique, with a headboard inspired by seashells. The cupboard, made from wood and rattan doors, adds a natural and coastal touch. You'll also find a TV and small dressing table with a mirror cabinet that can be opened. The second bedroom, though single, is no less charming. It's adorned with a beautiful blue coastal beach seashell wallpaper, creating a serene and relaxing ambience. The dressing table features a round rattan mirror and a cabinet with a touch of rattan, blending seamlessly with the coastal theme. And that wraps up our tour of this dreamy coastal beach-style house. From the serene exterior, featuring calm blue siding and wide window frames, to the open living, kitchen, and dining area, this house is an absolute beach lover's dream. I hope you had as much fun on this coastal adventure as I designed this house. Remember, even if you can't be at the beach, you can still bring the beach to your home. Catch you in the next video.